Dear students, hope you all are fine at home. Today's video we are discussing about present continuous tense. Before that, share, like and subscribe. Okay, let's go to the video. Present continuous tense. We have already discussed about subject. Subject may be a place, maybe a person, thing we are talking about. So, subject can be divided into two. First one singular and second is plural. Singular is always one person, thing or place we talk about. If more than one person or thing we talk about is called plural. In this table, we have shown that singular as he, she, it, Ravi, tree, etc. Plural as they, we, you, Ravi, and Raju, trees, etc. One more subject is there while we deal with, that is I. Here we have shown that with singular subject we have to use is, with plural subject we have to use are, and with I we have to use am as helping verb to speak about present continuous tense. Let's find the rule of present continuous tense briefly. Yes, if the subject is singular, we have to use subject plus is plus basic verb plus ing and object. This is always telling us an action which is going on right now. Some examples are the first one, it is barking at the stranger. Suppose here it means it's a dog. Dog is barking at the stranger. She is cooking in the kitchen. She is a singular subject, and that is why we have used is as well as ing. Ravi is going to office. He is doing his homework and he is reading a book. Okay, these all subjects are singular subjects. Next, plural subject. If subject is plural, we have to use are plus basic form plus object. This is also used to show an action which is going on. Some examples, sorry, some examples are they are working in the field. Here, many people are working in the field. They are swimming in the pool. Many children and people are swimming in the pool. Here, it is plural, more than one. You are singing a song. This, remember, you can be utilized for many people and for one person also if we are telling you. How are you? Asking no? So we are telling only one person and for many person we can use you. But remember, always we have to use are and ing with you as a subject. Yes, one exemption I told you, it is I. If the subject is I, we have to use only am. We have to use am and basic verb and plus ing. This is also to show an action which is going on. Some examples are given here. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am going to the market. I am working in an office. Here, for only one person, we can tell am. And I remember you that is, am, are also called auxiliaries, yeah, helping verbs. Okay, let's find some exercise. So you have to convert simple present tense to present continuous tense. Don't forget to use is, am, or are plus verb plus ing. Okay, let's start. She works in the office. So she is a singular subject. What we have to use? Yes, is. She is working in the office. Next, they play in the ground. Here, they is a plural subject. So what may be the helping verb? Yes, it is are. They are playing in the ground. I study English. I told you it's an exceptional case. So what we have to use, children, tell me? Yes, it is am. I'm studying English now. Yes, next. Your dog barks at a stranger. So your dog, is it singular or plural? It's a singular subject. So we have to use is. Your dog is barking at the stranger. Anita cooks in the kitchen. Anita is a, yes, singular subject. So Anita is cooking in the kitchen. Next, the boys run in the ground. The boys is a, yes, tell me, plural subject. Very good. Yes, the boys are running in the ground. I hope you like this video. Some other exercise we will do in next video. We will be studying present perfect tense. And subscribe, like and share. The next video will be coming soon. Till then, bye bye.